Hello kids, I am Mrs. Corrage from Campus Valinhos and today I'm gonna teach you how to make origami. I am going to teach you how to make an origami of a bat. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so to make our origami bat, you will need a piece of paper and scissors. All right? If you need help, you can ask an adult. My paper is specific for origami, but you can use any kind of paper, okay? You can use like bond paper and you will be okay. You just need to have a square, all right? So mine is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. Are you ready? So the first thing you're going to do is fold your paper from corner to corner. You will have a triangle, okay? Then you are going to get the tip and put it upward, bring it down, okay? It has to go under the line. So it's going to be like this. You have a line here, you have to put it under the line. After that, you're going to see that this part here will be our face, the bat's face, okay? And here you will have the bat wings. Next step, you're going to turn to the other side and we're going to fold this part like this. And do the same thing on the other side. Right? So you will end up with something like that. Then we will get this tip and we are going to fold upward. Okay? So to finish this up, we are going to cut here. So you are going to make 2 triangles. Ask an adult to help you, okay? And then you are going to fold this so you have the bat ears. Okay? If you want, you can get a black marker and you can make the bat's eyes. Right? You can create the face in the way you prefer, okay? So you can draw the eyes, you can draw a mouth. And if you are using a white paper, you can also color your bat, okay? The way you like the most. Okay kids, I hope you have enjoyed our tutorial and I hope you can have fun making the bat origami with your family. See you next time, bye bye!